This is the 10 fragrances I am excited to wear on November. Stay tuned after this intro. What is going on, guys, and welcome again to another video. In today's video, it's all about the holidays, especially the November month. It is the holiday season and I can already smell it. And in today's video, I brought to you guys in this basket behind me the 10 fragrances I am excited to wear the most this November month. There's a little bit of everything that evokes the holidays, especially the smells of the holiday season. I'm so into that and I just like to wear my fragrances seasonally. If you have the same style, please let me know in the comment section down below because I want to get to know you better. I feel like you know me, but I just don't know you as much. So please introduce yourself and let me know where you're from or where you're watching me from. I would love to get to know you on a little bit of a personal level. Not too personal though. But before I start showing you my list, please show me some love by liking this video. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it. Share this video to your fellow frag heads to help the channel out and helps this guy that spent most of his free time editing these videos. So without making this video way too long, let's just grab the first one. This is a beast mode. It was my scent of the night yesterday. Election day, so I needed a fragrance that would last me until next day watching the election day again. This is a beast mode, very seasonal, but smells so good, and I'm talking about Ristretto Intense Cafe. This is a much stronger version of the original Intense Cafe with a lot added more coffee. So if you love coffee, rose, and vanilla, this is the scent for you. Especially that this one just like lasts. I did the biggest mistake spraying like 6 sprays on me last night. It was just a little bit way too much. I suffocated myself and I suffocated people around me. They liked it though. I got a comment that it smells figgy. Okay, I'll take that, and it lasted on me like until I just took this shower this afternoon today. And seriously, I can still smell it a little bit on my skin. Next one we have on this list, this is a fragrance that evokes the holidays big times to me. Another beast mode, super sweet fragrance that smells a little bit like potpourri but in a good way, and I'm talking about Bibliothèque by Byredo. This is one of the strongest Byredos that I have in my collection. Very strong, very sweet, sickly sweet, fruity, but it smells good in the air and it gets compliments. Again, this one smells a little bit perfumey, like much sweeter potpourri. Good stuff. I personally resonate this scent with the holiday season, especially around Thanksgiving and the Christmas time. When it's cooler outside, this fragrance is a chef's kiss. It really shines when it's colder outside. Try this one out. One of my favorite Byredos, bar none. Bibliothèque. Let's just grab another one, and this is probably the only Perfumes de Marly that we have here on this list. And I'm talking about Carlisle. There's something about Carlisle that resonates with the holiday season to me. It smells so good, that vanilla, that patchouli. It smells well put together, grown up, handsome grown up. I'm a little handsome grown up nowadays. Or at least that's what I think. That's why I prefer wearing Carlisle this season. It just smells so good, guys. The fact that I'm smelling it right now, I'm craving it. And I'm still a virgin. I have no fragrance on at all whatsoever. So probably I'll make this one my scent of the night. Because why not? I deserve it. Let me know what is your scent of the night. I'm curious because I know you deserve it too. Let's just grab another one, and this one, oh my god, this is very good. One of my absolute favorite creeds. It is not cheap, it's very woodsy, pencil shaving type of woods. So it could be not for a lot of people out there, especially if you're young. This is probably not for you. But it just smells very classy, very elegant, and there's some milkiness. Comes from that woodsy sandalwood effect with that cedarwood sharpness, and I'm talking about Royal Oud by Creed. This is beautiful. One of my absolute favorite creeds. This one smells very classy. Oh my god. There's a bunch of other woodsy pencil shaving fragrances out there, but this is definitely the smoothest and the best combination all together. Beautiful one. Again, if you're young, this is probably not for you unless you really like woodsy fragrances. And don't shy away from the oud note in here because it's not really oudy, it's more of a woodsy type of a scent. Let's just grab something gourmandy because this is the month of gourmands. So if you love your gourmands, you should probably reach out for your gourmands more often this month. And I'm talking about Italica or Italica. This is a beautiful almondy vanilla scent that smells a little different, very strong, a little musky, but smells more like an almond wafer to me in a way. That vanilla note here combined with that almond is beautiful and I'm kind of like craving it. Probably I should make this one as my scent of the day. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. I haven't worn it like for a minute now and I'm craving it. Either this or Carlisle. Oh my God. Now that I remember Carlisle, I'm craving Carlisle alongside Royal Oud too. A lot of great stuff, guys. Check out the links. I'm gonna try to find the bestest prices in case if you're curious to smell any of these fragrances. Some decants, some full bottles too, so check out the links. Another great spicy one, different than your original spice bombs. This is a totally different spice bomb DNA and I love it. I love cinnamon in fragrances, so I'm a little biased here. So if you're not into cinnamon in fragrances, this is a cinnamon bomb. They should have called it cinnamon bomb instead of spice bomb. And I'm talking about Spice Bomb Infrared. This is the EDT. This is some good stuff. I had it on the day, not yesterday, the day before, at night, and the compliment I got that I smell pungent. I took it as a compliment. I don't know, you let me know in the comment section down below. If you spray a fragrance and you pass by somebody and he tells you you smell pungent, would you take it in a good way or a bad way? I'm curious. This is strong enough. The EDP is much stronger, sweeter, and much denser. But there's some airiness about this scent that I enjoy, especially with that fiery cinnamon note. Good stuff. I really enjoy this one quite a bit, especially if you love big red cinnamon gum. It kind of gives somewhat of a similar vibe, in a way, not entirely. Good stuff. This is a cheapy but goody Uomo Salvatore Ferragamo Uomo. If you just want to smell like tiramisu and tonka beans. This is some good stuff. Very sexy. This is a great date night scent that would attract the opposite sex or attract your significant other. It's easy to wear, it's in, it's not dated at all whatsoever. Even though it has been out for a minute now, it lasts a project and easy on the pocket too. Let's just grab another one. This is so good. This is one of my favorite Latafas that really did great, cloning Paragon by Initio. Oh my God, this is so good. If you love plum and woodsy nuances and vanilla, this is some really good stuff. Vintage Radio, it's easy on the pocket. Cool bottle too. I enjoy this one quite a bit. It gets compliments, especially if you love woodsy plum and vanilla notes all combined together. Probably I'll wear this one tonight because I just feel like it. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of Vintage Radio by Latafa? Another great one from the house of by Kilian, and this is a very romantic almond and vanilla plus a little bit floral scent. Very sexy, great for this holiday season, and I'm talking about Rolling in Love. This is one of the most romantic scents that I have in my collection. Whether for a man or a woman, this is some great stuff. A little bit floral too, so if you're not into floral fragrances, probably skip this one. But I don't mind it personally. I feel like the almond note here is big, and I love almond in fragrances. Combined with that vanilla, oh my God, smells so good. Very delicious type of a scent. Very romantic. Look at that bottle too. Rolling in Love. So if you want to roll in love, get yourself some of that. All right, last but not least, it's a beautiful scent I haven't wore in a minute, and I'm kind of like enjoying it. Probably I should make this one my scent of the night. I'm craving a lot of stuff. You know when you're a virgin, just came out of the shower and you're just waiting for the perfect scent of the night? That's how I feel right now. And this is Dior Homme Parfum, one of the best creations from the house of Dior. I'm curious, when are they gonna come out with Dior Homme Elixir? Come on, Dior. It's the holiday season. Get us some Dior Homme Elixir and we'll buy it, we promise. Tell Dior you promise in the comment section down below so they can work on that. But this one, oh my God, some beautiful, beautiful, darker Dior Homme Intense. Much stronger and much better. Dior Homme Parfum, one of my absolute favorite fragrances of all time, period. So this is pretty much it, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of my November's top 10 list? This is some stuff I'm really craving, especially at the moment. So what are you craving at the moment too? Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video, click that subscribe button and share this video to all of your frag head friends, and see you guys next time. Peace.